Right, in this video I am going to be changing this mirror here. So this mirror's got some scratches on it, but the main thing is not the scratches, it's the heating element. So I've got a replacement mirror here, it's got a backing to it, and if you look just here, two electrodes where you electrode points where you put the cable in. So in theory I don't have to take this whole thing off. In theory I can dislodge this mirror with the whole thing in place, but I need to move the mirror outwards and upwards, and I'm going to look underneath it to see if there's some sort of thing I can wedge it off. So looking at the back, it looks like that. Well, that's turned outwards and upwards, so I'm thinking I can see there's a little kind of right at the top there, although you can't see it here, little kind of latch. I'm not sure, but I should also try flipping the mirror the other way to see what it looks like from the other. Right, I've decided, looking through this side, that there is a screw down the bottom and a little latch maybe to take this off. So if I move that, this may all come off and shed a bit more light. There's a little white latch, if you can see it. I wonder if by moving that, what happens. I'm thinking logically to try and take this whole thing apart, starting with the... Well, it says in the Haynes manual that underneath here, which I can't really see because I have to bend over upside down, is a small groove where you can insert a screwdriver, which you wrap around with lots of tape, padding, insert it and then twist. Also, I've worked out how to pull this lid off, but I don't think it does anything in this case. You kind of push in, apparently, in that way, and then back out that way again, in and out. It's a bit odd. It's also it's a possibility, because the mirror's on a plastic backing. It might, as I pull this out and push it in at the top and pull it out at the bottom, but not on the glass, there is a possibility of it just popping out. So let's do it easy as possible before it flips over. So gloves on, extra. Okay, this has come out. So it looks like that. By the way, if I wanted to remove, say you unfortunately got this pranged and it was broken, to get this off, just pull this quarter panel off here. That's 3 nuts, I think they were, on the inside. And that's part of the process. You need to pull this door trim away. If I show you, and I think I'm alright just to show you like this quickly, it shouldn't be a problem. This trim comes away so easily. See, one nut there. I don't think it's that one, I think it's that one. And if you get the other two, you don't need to take this door down. You can just get. See it? See that? You can get the other two just by pulling it in one hand. Right, wedge something in there. Let's get like a ratchet spanner. See all 3? There's one here, 2 down there, and if you was having problems getting this mirror off, I would probably leave one, take the two off, one there and there, and then swing it so it's upside down. Then I was going to do that, swing it upside down, and I can wedge underneath here, but it came off anyway. So if you need to remove this, that's how I would do it. And if you had to unplug it, then you'll have to take off the door panel. But if you do that, make sure you get them plastic clips. I don't know what they are, mate. I bought a set for 8mm, 50 pieces for about £5. They look similar. They're like blue, green colour, and then for another car. But there were some Honda ones at 12mm. They're not 12mm. 12mm diameter bore. They're definitely not. They was much smaller than that. So let's see if I can change. And those two clips came off by pulling out the plastic clippy bit. There's such a word, the bit there. Using a pair of long nose. How I was going to do it. The only thing I can think of is this comes with like a peelable back and it sticks on. That's the only thing I can think of. So let's do that. Because these two will not fit. I need new. Oh, okay. I'm going to have to bend those down with a pair of pliers. Just about fits. Like that. Alright, let's bend them down. This must be the heating element. Maybe you can see this. Judging by the state of them, it could be rusty corrosion. Could have been perfectly fine. It was scratched, the mirror. So if that other mirror is not plastically backed, what we'll do is, after I clean these, with contact spray, electrical contact spray, see if it works. No, it's still too loose, that one. That one's a bit better. Another option is to put some solder on that. Well, looks like that blue film comes away, and this plastic cheapo jobby totally sits on top. Not half as good as the old one, nowhere near as good as the old one. That one kind of clamped around the mirror. This one, you know, it might fall off. Well, I crimp them by putting a small pair of forceps in there and then squashing down with a pair of pliers. Let's see if it fits. Oh no, not snug, that one. And I'll crimp this one down a lot. Oh, this is not working. So, right, I pushed them in. What I did was, with a little bit of solder on each terminal, I plugged it in, and it was nice and snug. And then from the bottom, from the start of the bottom, lined up the two little clips. Pushed it on the bottom first, and then the top, and then it clipped in. So it was easy as that. I'm not going to take it out again, unless it cracks, of course. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe.